Hello everyone, welcome to our booth at the Signal Karagati exhibition. We have brought the Blue Laminator 1450 and its flip-flop stacker 1450 to the booth.
Next, let me show you our high-speed laminating machine GW1450LP. Can handle 3, 5, 7 layers of corrugated cardboard with a B, C, E, and F ridges. The salesperson is introducing the laminating machine to the customer.
We have also brought the UV coating machine to our booth.
The UV-coated machine is running steadily. Enhances surface protection and print quality with a smooth, glossy finish.
Our Blue Laminator can be stably used at a speed of 16,000 sheets per hour. Its capability is really strong. Welcome to our booth.